Hey guys, Tim here from MayitoTek TV. Today I'm doing a little bit of a follow-up video for myself, and I'm going to show you a Note 9 Whitestone dome protector here. So back in February of 2018, I got my Pixel 2 Whitestone dome screen protector. I did a video on that actually. If you want to check it out, I'll put it right up here in the corner. I did a full installation on that, going through the process, the timing and everything. But Mario, my friend over at MayitoTek, he just got his for the Note 9 and installed it. So he's going to tell you what he thinks about his. And I've really loved mine, using mine over the past like 7-8 months here. It's protected really well. The hydrophobic and oleophobic coating has been great. It still keeps fingerprints off it most of the time. I feel like taking it in and out of my pocket, it's almost like self-cleaning a lot of the time. And as far as like drops and stuff like that, it's held up really well. I've had one small issue where actually just a few weeks ago when I was on a trip and out of town, my girlfriend was actually picking up my phone for me. It kind of ended up falling face first on a table, kind of slid across and fell to the floor. So I'll show you real close up here real quick. Right there, there's just a little bit of damage on the edge of the glass. Other than that, I haven't had any issues with it, and I've actually been very, very happy with it so far. So Mario's going to tell you his experience installing it on the Note 9 and what he thinks about it.
Installation was pretty user-friendly. You basically got everything that you need. It comes with the installation kit, which is going to allow you to make the perfect installation without having to worry about putting the screen in the wrong location. It will even come with a UV curing light, which is going to allow you to remove all the bubbles or make sure you don't have any bubbles. I read a couple of reviews online where people mentioned they were not able to get the installation correctly, but I also seen a lot more people mentioned that they were able to install it with no issues. I wanted to keep an unbiased review, so I let my girlfriend do the installation for me and just basically watch while she was doing it. And I can tell you, it took her about 20-25 minutes. There's a lot of videos online that show you how to install it. She basically followed the instructions, and at the end, she did an awesome job. Installation was perfect, zero bubbles, very user-friendly, no issues. Let me mention that in the past, I have never used a screen protector for more than a week. I tried some of the budget screen protectors, and at the end, I always end up taking them off. I tried them with the Galaxy Note 7, the Galaxy Note 8, the SA Plus, and I was just never happy with them. And I gotta tell you, with this one, I was very impressed. Right after the installation, it looks like it was just part of the screen. If it wouldn't be because of the cutouts on the top for the sensor and the camera, I wouldn't even notice that this phone has a screen protector. It is very responsive. The stylus pen works just fine. It doesn't get a lot of fingerprints like you get with a lot of the screen protectors. You don't get the dotted matrix that you do with some of the other ones. It just basically feels and looks like you don't even have a screen protector on. Now, I have used it for a couple of days now, and I put it through a different test. Sensitivity is really good. I didn't even have to adjust the settings on the sensitivity. The glue itself does an awesome job where it makes sure no bubbles are in there, and as I mentioned, with the UV light, it also helps with that. I put it through a couple of tests. I basically put a lot of dust in it. I put it through water, and I gotta tell you, it did an amazing job. When it comes to the dust, I mean, it did stick to the sides and the edges because you still have some glue. I was able to remove most of it, but honestly, I was very impressed. Some of the budget ones that I've seen before or the ones that I've tried before, sometimes you get some dust that gets stuck on the bottom or the top and you just can't get rid of it. And when it comes with case compatibility, I tried them out with the Rinky cases. It just works perfect, no issues there. With the UAG case that I tried it out, I noticed at the top, it barely touches the screen protector, but if I would have slide it down a little bit more, there was plenty of room in the bottom. So just check that out. Make sure I don't want to give you any wrong information when it comes to case compatibility. On their side, that will give you more information of how much gap you have to have in between. But it looks like it's going to be compatible with a lot of the cases out there, as it basically goes edge to edge and top to bottom, but you still have the little gap that a lot of the cases still will go in there. It will not touch the screen protector. Now, when it comes to the price, it's going to cost you around $60, but sometimes they have some deals going on. Right now, at this time, I was able to find them for $45 in Amazon, but I'll have a link in the description below if you guys want to go check it out.
All right, so yeah, thanks Mario. Thank you for sharing your experience with us. So Mario does a ton of Note videos over on his channel. He's got some other tech videos as well, but he's got a lot of videos. He's going to be covering the Note 9, covered some of the other older Note phones as well. So definitely go check his channel out. Give him a sub over there if you like his content. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think down there below. I'll put a link down there in the description for the Whitestone dome on Amazon. I'll put the both Pixel link and the Note 9 link down there below. But if you have any questions, let me know, and you can go check out Mario's channel as well and drop a question over there for him. I do weekly tech reviews here on MayitoTek TV, so I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button if that's what you're into. Like this video if it was helpful, and until next time guys, you take care.